In this tutorial, you will learn 3 different methods to find and remove duplicates in Google Sheets. These techniques will help you keep your data clean and organized. Method 1. Find in Sheet. The first method to find duplicates in your sheet is by using the Find in Sheet feature. To do this, press Ctrl F on Windows or Command F on a Mac to open the Find in Sheet bar. Type the value you want to search for and hit Enter. Google Sheets will highlight all instances of the value, making it easy to spot duplicates. If you want to remove a duplicate entry, simply select the cell and press the Delete key. To delete an entire row, first click on the row number on the left side of the sheet. Next, right-click on the row number and choose the Delete Row option. Method 2. Remove duplicates. The second method is to use the Remove Duplicates feature. This method is particularly useful when dealing with a large data set. First, select the range of data you want to remove duplicates from. Then click on Data in the menu bar, then Data Cleanup, and choose Remove Duplicates. In the dialog box that appears, you can choose which columns to analyze for duplicates. If your data has headers, make sure to check the Data Has Header Row option. Click Remove Duplicates, and Google Sheets will automatically remove any duplicate rows in the table. Google Sheets will remove duplicate based on the following rules. If you select one column, Google Sheets checks for repeated values in that column. If it finds any duplicates, it deletes them, but keeps the first instance of the value. If you select multiple columns, Google Sheets looks at the combination of values in those columns. It removes a row in the table only if the same combination is found in another row in the table, keeping just the first one. When you select multiple columns and check only one column, Google Sheets will identify duplicates within that specific checked column. If it finds any duplicates, it will remove the entire row, including data from other selected but unchecked columns. Google Sheets will delete any duplicates, but keep the first instance of the value. Method 3. Unique function. Using the unique function is a non-destructive method. This function doesn't alter your original data. Instead, it creates a new list of unique values, allowing you to keep the original data intact. To use unique function, follow these steps. Select an empty cell where you want to display the unique values without duplicates. In the selected cell, type =unique and the cell range containing the data you want to remove duplicates from. In this case, it will be =unique, A1, B10. Press Enter and Google Sheets will automatically display the unique values from the specified range in the cells below the formula. If you make changes to your original data, the list of unique values created by the unique function will automatically update, ensuring you always have an up-to-date list of unique values. It's worth mentioning that the unique function removes duplicate combinations of values across multiple columns. In this example, we see deal 3 twice because the values in the price column are different. If we change the prices to be the same, one of the deal 3 rows will be removed by the unique function, as it will now be identified as a duplicate. If you find this tutorial helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up. And of course, if you want to stay up to date with new videos, don't forget to subscribe.